Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account on xs.com. After registration, you click on this option at the top, and then on the right side of the page, you click on Upload in front of the ID card. Here you specify the type of your document, as well as your proof. In addition, you upload a photo of the back of your ID card. After uploading the photos, you click on Upload. In the next step, you select Proof of Address to verify your address and choose your country. Upload photos, select Proof of Address, enter address, upload document, submit. In the next step, you select Proof of Address to prove your address and select your country. Then, you enter your full address and upload the required document below, which must be dated within the last 3 months. Additionally, at the bottom, you can upload a photo of the back of your document as well. After uploading the document, you click on Upload, and your document will be under review. And as you can see, after an hour, our account was fully verified. Good luck!